Most people think real estate investing means buying, managing, and maintaining properties, repairs, tenants, property taxes. It sounds like a headache, right? But what if you can earn passive income from real estate without even owning a property? Mortgage note investing changes the game. Hey, I'm D'Anthony Dupree. With over a decade in real estate and note investing, I'm here to provide actionable tips and insights to help you navigate investment strategies. For more information, visit propertyandnotes.com. What is a mortgage note? A mortgage note is a debt agreement between a loaner and a loanee. And a mortgage note is more than just a document. It's a golden ticket to passive income. When you invest in a mortgage note, you're essentially buying the debt that a loanee owes. This gives you the right to receive monthly payments just like the banks. It's a legal document securing a loan, meaning you have the property as a collateral if payment stops. Why invest in mortgage notes? Well, unlike traditional real estate, you don't have to own or manage the property. No leaky faucets, no midnight tenant calls, and no endless repairs. Just steady, reliable income flowing straight to you. There are 5 types of real estate mortgage notes. The first one, fixed rate mortgage loans. Steady, predictable payments with a locked in interest rate. Like a train running smoothly on fixed tracks, never swaying off course. Drawback, you can't benefit if interest rates drop. The next one, graduated payments mortgage loans. Start with lower payments that gradually increase over time. Like climbing a staircase, each step getting higher but leading to a solid destination. Consideration, you may end up paying more interest over the life of the loan. The next one, adjustable rate mortgage, better known as ARMs. Low initial payments that adjust periodically based on market interest rates. Like a boat on the ocean, sometimes smooth sailing, sometimes facing waves. Risk, uncertainty of future payments if interest rates rise. The fourth one, balloon payment mortgages. Small monthly payments followed by a large final payment at the end of the term. Like a balloon slowly inflating until one big burst at the end. Risk, if the borrower can't pay the lump sum, they might default. Last but not least, interest-only loans. Borrowers pay only interest for a certain period. It's like renting a car with the option to buy later, but needing a lump sum to make it yours. Consideration, a large principal payment is due later, making this ideal for investors with significant capital. Strategies for investing in mortgage notes. Investing in performing mortgage notes. The goal would be to get steady and reliable cash flow. Why is it good? Lower risk compared to stocks or flipping properties. Purchasing non-performing notes and flipping. Buy notes that are in default or underperforming. It's like a diamond in the rough, waiting to be polished. Work with the borrower to restructure the loan or foreclose and sell the property. It's a higher risk but a high reward. The key takeaway is do thorough research before investing. Ways to find notes. The way I personally find notes is by contacting banks, hedge funds, and investors on social media, LinkedIn specifically. The next way is by contacting mortgage note brokers. What they do is they find suitable investment opportunities for you. What do? They find suitable investment opportunities and negotiate terms and facilitate transactions. Why would you work with a broker? Save time and money by handling research and paperwork while simultaneously giving you access to exclusive investment opportunities. My key takeaways and final advice. Mortgage note investing isn't just an investment, it's a strategy. A smart play in the world of real estate that lets you profit without the headaches of property ownership. Do your research and understand the risks before diving in. Consider working with an experienced investor like myself or a broker when just starting out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you found this helpful. Peace.